In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart button on Google Sites. Vertical bar 2026 vertical bar step by step. Google Sites doesn't include a built-in shopping cart, but you can still sell products by embedding a payment button. In this walkthrough, we'll use PayPal's Add to Cart button, which is quick to set up and works smoothly with Google Sites. If you prefer a fuller storefront later, platforms like Ecwid are also compatible, but today we'll focus on PayPal. Start by opening the PayPal official website and sign in. If you don't have one yet, create a business account. A business account gives you access to seller tools and the classic PayPal buttons you'll need for a proper cart experience. Once you're signed in, head to Seller Tools and look for PayPal buttons. Choose Add to Cart. This tells PayPal to generate a button that adds items to a shopping cart rather than sending customers straight to checkout. Fill out your product details, enter a clear product name customers will recognize, set the exact price, and pick the correct currency. If you charge shipping, you can add that here as well. Take a moment to double-check spelling, amounts, and currency, because these details will appear directly on the checkout page. When you save, PayPal will generate an HTML code snippet for your button. You'll see a block of code that handles the cart and payment processing for you. Select and copy the entire code. It's important to grab all of it so the button functions correctly. Now switch over to Google Sites and open your site in the editor. Go to the page where you want the button to appear. From the right side panel, click Insert, then select Embed. Choose the Embed Code option. Paste the PayPal code you just copied into the box, then click Next and Insert. The button will appear as an embedded element on your page. You can drag it into position, align it with your product description or image, and adjust the size so it looks clean and professional within your layout. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner of Google Sites. After publishing, your Add to Cart button will be live on the public version of your site, ready for visitors to use. If you've just updated the page, give it a refresh to see the latest changes on the published site. That's it. You've added a working PayPal Add to Cart button to Google Sites. Keep your product details accurate, and if you ever change pricing or shipping, update the button in PayPal and replace the embed code in Google Sites to keep everything in sync.